Not easy, but I can handle some of the words. Two viewers. Chris Hernandez is laughing. Use Google Translate. I don't have that Pico side. I don't have Google Translate because my phone, it's like full storage always. I delete all my videos, my pictures, and some of my apps I delete because always full storage. Inday, you're so beautiful. Thank you, Pikusay. Thank you so much. Chris Hernandez, laughing. Always laughing, Chris Hernandez. Why are you laughing, Chris? Because you don't understand me, right? I am right or I am left, charot. For viewers, shout out. Thank you so much, guys. Aray. Ano ba yan? Bakit magaling ng mga ngagat? No. Pico side, said hi. Pico side, you drink coffee, Pico side, so you can sleep. What can I say? I love your culture. Ah, okay. Thank you so much. You know my culture? You know, Chris? Chris, you know my culture? Filipino? Three viewers, hello. Thank you so much sa 3 viewers. Mula noon pa man hanggang ngayon. Wala. Tengo kiar Google. Okay, thank you. You always do that, Chris, so we can understand each other. Oo. Ano daw? That's okay. Use always Google so I can understand you. I don't know if you understand me. Picoside, are you still there? Or you sleeping na? Ay, nako, Picoside. You sleep na naman. Espanyol, Mexico. Ah, okay. I know Picoside is know how to speak in Espanyol. Ay, nako, I'm always here for you. Thank you, Picoside. Always thank you so much. Ay, nako, Picoside. 4 viewers and 4 likes. Thank you so much, guys. So, Picoside, you know how to speak in Espanol? Like Mexican language, you know how to speak that? I should call you and tell you what happened to me the other day. What happened to you? What happened the other day? I have only one cell phone. If I'm here live, I cannot accept. I was in crazy street fight. Hello? Chris, always Bon Jovi. Ano yung Bon Jovi? What is that Bon Jovi?